Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wanted to share your Google form in a super simple way? Instead of sending links, you can generate a QR code that people can scan instantly to access your form. It's quick, professional, and makes life a lot easier. Now in this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert your Google form into a QR code in under a minute. So let's dive into these steps. The first step is to copy your Google form link. Now the first thing you need to do is for your forms link, and just open Google Forms and go to your form. For example, I'm gonna go this one, choose this one, and then I'm gonna click on share. And once I click on share, I'm gonna choose anyone with the link, like you can see here, and I'm gonna copy the responders link. As you can see here, the link is copied to my clipboard. Now the second step is to convert it to a QR code. Now let's generate the QR code. You can head over to QR code generator. Let's see here. I'm gonna sign in to the QR code generator. Now you'll find the QR generator by searching for QR code generator in your Google and then access the website. Once you access the website, just paste the link in here and the QR code will be generated. Now here choose download GPG and sign up for your Google account. Complete the prompts, etc. And in the end, once you complete these steps for subscribing to the QR code generator website, just download the QR code generator so you can use it anywhere. Now after you save it on your computer or device, now let's put it into good use. You can print it on event posters, flyers or business cards, or add it to your website, emails or social media posts, and if you are a teacher or a business owner, display it in your office so people can scan and fill out the form easily. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to turn your Google form into a QR code for easy sharing. No more typing long links, just scan and go. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and if you have any further more questions about this topic, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.